Arrive in style with this Kia 2019 Sorento 3.3 LLX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 290 horsepower, 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.